Hello, teacher. My name is Andre Santiago. Today I'm going to present to you how it was in a house of the 18th century. And I was the best experience I had. I feel like I live in the 18th century. Ush, se sintió como vivir allá. I was only able to enter one room and the live room. The live room y a una habitación. Em, que encontré, que encontré, um, there were very old picture, and a lot what desk paint white, high relief, muy lindo. Had drown trunk, un, un baúl muy lindo. And another were no gast, no, another were no gast, private gast, and private gast. But some very nice toys. Sí, pero sí vi esto, unos juguetes de tela muy antiguos, de hecho. Will Edin, pues, y ya, esto, Will Edin, thank you very much for everything. Happy night. Bye bye.